I can admit I'm a fan of T3 Micro's devices. Take that as upfront bias if you want to, but after reviewing their wands, irons, and hair dryers over the years, I'm really loving what they do for my hair, and I haven't been disappointed by a single one of their tools. I'm Erin from techgadgetscanada.com, and I recently had the chance to test out another T3 device. This is the T3 Whirl Trio. In this review, I'll tell you all about what it does, how it works, and whether I think it's a good investment for you and your hair. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and do subscribe, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from.
T3's Whirl Trio is a curling wand trio with a special base that allows you to swap out different interchangeable curling wands. What's in the box? 3 different wands are included in the package, plus you get a storage bag and heat protection glove. You can also buy a host of additional barrels and iron ends in many different sizes and configurations. The barrels are sleek and soft and both look and feel high-end. They're coated with ceramic to smooth and protect your hair, creating a smooth, non-stick surface that helps keep frizz down, according to T3.
The wand has a 1-hour auto shutoff, which is handy. There's also auto voltage, so you can take it traveling with you too.
This curling wand couldn't be easier to use. Just plug in your wand of choice, then lock it into place with the locking ring, which also doubles as a foot for the wand. When everything's connected, turn it on. It takes less than 1.5 minutes to fully heat up. There's also a handy swivel base where the cord connects to the iron, and that helps to keep the cord from getting tangled.
As a safety feature, the wand will not even heat up if there's not a barrel installed on it.
With 5 different heat settings, you can dial in different options. The temperature range isn't specified anywhere as far as I can see, so I started my testing on level 4 out of 5.
I tried each of the 3 wands over the course of a couple of weeks, and I have to say I was really impressed. The wands each left me with strong holding and lasting curls. Let's check out the results.
I tried the largest barrel first, the 1.5-inch straight wand barrel, which makes for soft, loose waves. I was really happy with the big, smooth waves it gave me, and they definitely held all day. Next, I tried the tapered wand barrel, which measures about 1.25 inches to 3/4 inches at its smallest point. This wand gives you a bit more of a natural and not so perfect wave. Depending on which way you hold it, you get tighter curls near your scalp or at the ends, or both. This wand wasn't my favorite since I feel like the narrow end was a bit too small for me personally, and it did give me a bit more of a tighter curl than I wanted in some places, but that's my own personal preference in style and no knock on T3. Finally, I used the 1-inch straight wand barrel, which is made for getting more uniform spiral or what are called mermaid waves. This was a good size for balance. You get curls that are more defined, but not too loose and not too tight. I'd really like this for everyday use. But all the barrels left my hair feeling smooth and silky, and even on level 4 of 5 in terms of heat, I didn't feel like it was too hot for my hair. Like I said earlier, the curls also lasted really well. A quick refresher the next day was all I needed to get another full day from my look, just hitting some random pieces as a touch-up, and I was out the door.
Overall, I was definitely really happy with how each of the wands worked and how the curls held up, and for the most part, the curls from each one lasted into the next day in the form of much looser waves. T3 talks about its digital T3 single pass technology, which is supposed to ensure even, consistent heat, fast styling, and long-lasting results, and I can say the Whirl Trio did live up to that promise for me. Each section of my hair only needed one twist around the barrel for about 6 or 8 seconds, and the curl was set. My hair was smooth, shiny, and frizz-free. If you're looking for a new curling tool, I can definitely recommend the T3 Micro Whirl Trio. It sells for about $325 US, though I have seen it for a little less recently. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about, head over to techgadgetscanada.com where I've got a full write-up. There you can ask me any questions you have about this iron or wand. You can also post any questions you have here in comments below. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me through Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.